Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I will be making another video of CPT, and in today's video, I will talk about and demonstrate about IPv6 tunnel. And in today's lab, we will be trying two kinds of tunnel. That is IPv6 IP and Gary tunnel. And actually, the tunnel that we will be using in this lab is actually a combination of IPv4 and IPv6. So the base of the connection will be IPv4 using RIP dynamic routing protocol, and then we'll make a tunnel between the first router and the third router using an IPv6 IP. And the method will be there are GRE and IPv6 IP. Okay, without any further ado, let's just directly get right into it. But first, I haven't added any configuration to each router, so maybe we want to add the configuration first, like adding the IPs, and then in here I will give an IP of 12.12.12.1 on the first router that is linking to the second router, and then on the for the back we will just make it blank. And now for the RIP version 2, and then this. Okay, we've done it. Now if you go here, no, and I will give it a host name of R2, and then 00, turn it on, and then add an IP of 12.12.12.2 and prefix of /24, and then on the other side we will give it an IP of 23.1 and a prefix of /24, and then the router RIP version 2, and then network will be this, and 23 no auto summary. Okay, we are done with that. And now for the third router, let's just directly add it. I'll give it a hostname of R3, and then get inside the interface that is linking to the second router, turn it on, and then add an IP address of 23.23.2 with the prefix of /24. And now I'll add the RIP version 2, and then network will be 2023.0, and then no auto summary. Okay, we have done all of them. Now let's try pinging to the first router from the third router. If we see here, it doesn't work. Okay, it does work. That means we have successfully added or implemented RIP in the network. Now what we want to do is make the tunnel that will be linking from R1 to R3. Okay, so what do we do now is we will make a new tunnel, interface tunnel, called intertunnel 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever you want. I'll give tunnel 0, and then we will add an IPv6 address of 13.1 and a /126, and we'll give the tunnel source of 12.12.12.2, and then I'm sorry about the tunnel source, I might be wrong. Wait. Oh, wait. Let's see here. Okay, my bad. It was actually an IP. We give it gigabit internet. So here be like this. Give it internet 0 0, and then tunnel destination will be the IP address, that is 23, 23, 23, and 2, because we want it to reach the third router. Okay, it has now set up. Now for this third router also, we must configure it. Get inside or make the tunnel 0, and then add the IPv6 address of 300 2/126 if you want, and then tunnel source will be gigabit 0/1, and then tunnel destination will be 12.12.12.1. So you can see here it is now has a state of up. And now what we have to do is actually in this tunnel is still on the mode of GRE IP. And now if we try to ping to the IPv6 of the first router, let's try it. Does it work or not? As you can see here, it still doesn't work. Okay, so I've tested some things, and actually there are a little bit issue. The thing is, it cannot actually this router cannot demonstrate it on GRE, so I just directly put it into IPv6IP mode, the tunnel mode of IPv6IP. So yeah, to do it, you actually just need to enter this command on both router. After making the tunnel, enter this command on both of the router inside the tunnel 0, interface tunnel 0, and then you can try pinging from one to the other router with IPv6. For example, I will ping this third router from the first router using its IPv6, that is 13 2. And if you see here, it works. And if you want to try it, maybe let's try like this. IPv6 IP, IP, no tunnel IPv6 IP. And if we try pinging, does it work? It doesn't work. It means it cannot actually do it on GRE. And now after that, just to make more sure, we will add a new loopback interface with an IP address of IPv6 like this, and then we will do an IPv6 route of 328. Wait, sorry about this. Physics root. Okay, I'm sorry. Physics root. Okay, so the prefix at the IP, and then the prefix, and then the gateway, that it will be 13.1. So this is the gateway. Okay, yes, it is actually the gateway. The gateway will be the 13.2. Okay, and now on this third router, also IPv6 route 128, and the gateway will be 13.1. As you can see here, we've made an IPv route for each loopback. Now if we try to ping from the third router to the first router using its IP loopback of IPv6, let's try it. Does it work or not? If we do ping, it works. That means our router successfully communicated using the loopback via the tunnel of IPv6 IP that we just made. Okay, yeah, maybe that's all from my video for today about IPv6 IP tunnel. I hope this video can be helpful for both of us, for all of us, and I do apologize the mistakes that I made during delivering this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.